everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a quarter of a circle. That's a very important clue. And we are also given the radius of this particular circle. And later on, I will just share with you why Mr. Tan here decided to use purple to highlight this. And it's going to be wrapped. And OB is going to stick with OA such that it makes a cone that will look like this with the vertex at O. Okay, so this is what it will look like where I have my cone. Okay, and it is important to take note that this is actually my point O, and where is my A and B? And this particular length is actually my base of this particular cone that it has formed, and this is actually my A that is sticking to my B. So A and B has been stuck together. Okay, that's why I label it as my purple color, because it is actually the slanted height of this cone. And the question is actually really asking us to find this base area, base radius R. So how can we do it? Well, since they tell me it's a quarter of a circle, that means I will be able to find the area of this particular 1/4 of this circle first. Okay, and that is actually the curved surface area. Okay, so the quarter of a circle is something that I wish to highlight. Would then be 1/4 of pi r square, and I would like to write in terms of pi. So 1/4 times 12 square, 36 pi. And this happens to be my curved surface area. And we all know the curved surface area is equals to pi RL. And therefore, from here, I would then be able to gather the following. So pi R L will be equals to this 36 pi. Okay, and what is my R? I don't know. What is my L? I know, 12 of the cone. And this is equals to 36 pi. Okay, so our objective now is to find this, since we already know this. And therefore, from here, I will be able to find my R easily. It is simply 36 pi. I'm going to divide it by pi and divide by 12. So I can divide off the pi, divide off the 12. This one will give me 3. So I will be able to get my radius as 3. Now that I know radius is 3, what is the volume of this cone? Well, for volume, we will need to find the height. How can I find this height? Okay, so I'm going to have this as my height. Point O is up there. And I hope you are able to see that this is my R radius. which is 3. And this is my slanted height, 12. And because this is a right angle triangle, I will be able to get my h easily. So h square plus 3 square is equals to 12 square. And from here, I can get my height easily. I will need to minus away my 3 square before I square root. Okay, this is my longest. And this is my radius. And this is my height. This will give me a value of square root 135. And at this point, I do not want to have the square root evaluated yet because it will give me a lot of decimals. I don't like it. Okay, and from here, I can then find my volume. Volume will be equal to 1/3 times the pi r square times my height. So to just give you a inking, this will be my radius r, and this will be my height. And final answer, 109.5060243, 110 cm cubed to 3SF. 3 significant figures. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.